Orange chicken is such a classic and one that fell off limits for a long time. I've been determined to create a soy and gluten-free version, and I think I finally nailed it, so I hope you love it. First, we'll marinate our chicken in coconut aminos. You can marinate for 2 to 3 hours or go ahead and prepare right away. Next, you'll prepare your sauce, combining all of the ingredients in the saucepan over low-medium heat until it begins to thicken. Next, we'll get our chicken ready in a new bowl. Beat your eggs with a fork until smooth. Add to your chicken and coat well. Next, add the cornstarch and spices and mix until it's well combined with the egg. Now, heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully place your chicken pieces in the oil. You'll likely need to do this in batches. Remove your chicken from the oil and press carefully with a paper towel to soak up excess oil. Combine your chicken with the sauce, cook broccoli, green onions, and sesame seeds, and enjoy.